Alright, guys, today I'm going to talk about how to make money with Amazon. I'm going to go through this PowerPoint briefly, what we're going to talk about in detail. So, it's going to be step by step how to make money with Amazon. So, first you go to Amazon.com, you become an affiliate, you pick a category, you pick a product, get an image, then you get a short link. And the short link you can share on your social media, on your YouTube video, or even your TikTok or your website or your blog, your funnels. So after the customer have purchased that product that you shared or promote, then you gain that commission. If you want to become an affiliate with a better program, you can click the link below. So let's dive in for more detail. So you go to Amazon.com and you scroll all the way down. And you said become an affiliate. You can read more information here that you sign up, you recommend the product, then after purchase, then you get 10%. They have more information here. Then you just hit sign up. If you already have information, they put in here. If not, you can just create a new account. Create an account and that you have to walk through it and then send your vacation email. Then you can log in from there. So I'm gonna log in real quick. So after you log in and everything, you would come up to this page. So basically, you can come here to product linking and then you hit product links. Then you come to this page. This is the link to the best-selling products by category. So you can pick category that you want to promote. So for example, if you are into clothing, you're into cell phone accessory, or if you into books. Let's say if you do books. Right, these are the books you have. So basically just pick one. I would recommend get anything that's more than $15. So you get more commission on that. So, but that's it. Depend on your reference. So let's do this. The Modern Comforts book. Basically, you go get link, and then you come to text only, and then you want to get a short link because the short link will be very easier to share than just its standard long ugly link. So that your short link, you highlight, you make a right click, you copy, and then you can share on your blog, your website, your social media. And now the next thing we're gonna do is gonna go get image to share on your website. All right, so after you get the link, your short link, then you click on the image only. So you can use this image. So basically, if you have your blog, you can just copy this HTML link to yours blog or your website or whatever. But I love to get the image. So you basically right click on the image, you say save image as, and you can just save on your desktop or whatever. So and then I have a website, right? So I'm I can just go back to my website. I use Wix personally because it's really easy for me. So basically, I just go into my site and then edit site. And since I have all the products already on my website, um, I just basically drag and drop the image that saved on my desktop to my website. All right. So after you put drag and drop the image on here, and you have a button. So basically, it's more like a drag and drop here. You can do add button, add box, sub in here on your page. Wix, I found Wix is very easy to use. So you come in here on your button and you see the chain here. You click the link and you got paste a link that you got it from your Amazon account, which is on here. Copy, and then you paste on your page. And now whoever click on that link will take them directly to Amazon, and after they bought it, then you will get money for it. So that is short video. Thank guys, if you found this valuable to you, that useful to you, please click notify, subscribe it, and I will have more free training.